Welcome to this meditation using energetic time traveling to fully receive your manifestations even quicker. You may begin this meditation by finding somewhere comfortable to sit down or lay down. Now, with your eyes open, take a deep inhale and slow exhale. Now look around the room that you're in and come to your visual senses and just take a note of the space that you are in. What colors do you see? What objects can you see? What calls your attention in this very moment, right now? Now take a deep inhale, and as you slowly exhale, gently close your eyes right now. Continue to breathe deeply, fully expanding your stomach. And on the exhale, fully contracting your stomach, pushing in. Now bring your senses back into this moment by listening to any sounds that you hear fairly close by. Do not label these sounds, just allow them to bring your consciousness into this very moment, right now. And if there are any sounds that are fairly distant, allow yourself to take note of these sounds in this moment, right now. Now take a deep inhale, hold the breath, and slowly exhale, further relaxing your body, allowing your muscles to go limp, allowing any tension to be released from the body. Now as you inhale one more time, breathing in refreshing, revitalizing, relaxing air. And as you breathe out slowly now, relax your head, relax your neck, relax your shoulders and arms and hands and fingers. Relax your body, relax your hips, relax your legs, relax your ankles, your feet, and your toes. And as you continue to breathe deeply and fully, allow your consciousness to be the most present it's been all day. Now take this consciousness, this heightened state of consciousness, this relaxed state of consciousness, and just imagine, what are your goals right now? What are your biggest dreams, your biggest desires? What are you manifesting into your reality? And as you think of these goals, these desires, these manifestations, with the awareness that no goal is too large, Allow your mind to wander. Allow your heart to open and feel what is the greatest version of you doing. What is the most successful version of you doing? Who are they being? What are they experiencing? And when you have an idea of your greatest goals, your greatest dreams, your greatest manifestations, allow yourself to go to a space in time where you have achieved these goals, these manifestations. And allow yourself to see another version of you existing, loving life, experiencing all the biggest dreams that you could ever have imagined, and living it out right now. Now, as you take another deep inhale, still watching this future version of you, and slow exhale, allow that future version of you to make eye contact with you. And as you both see each other, allow a smile to come to your face. Allow the feelings of excitement, of happiness that you can actually see each other, of love, of gratitude to fill you both right now. And as you see each other and walk towards each other, smiling, happy, in amazement, hug each other and then take a seat somewhere comfortable right now. Now open your mind, open your heart to receive any guidance, any information, any newfound knowledge, anything that you feel will benefit you in this moment. Allow your future self to speak to you and give you any insights that they can, to let you know what you can do in your reality to manifest this ultimate dream, these ultimate manifestations as quickly as possible. So sit there for a few moments and exchange some ideas, exchange some insights, and just receive everything and anything that you need to receive in this moment right now. And as you continue to receive any guidance, any daily practices that you should start implementing right now, any newfound knowledge that you should look into right now, any intuitive feelings that you should act upon right now, continue to take a mental note of what these things are right now. Now, as you both finish what you have to say and receive, you both stand up, look at each other in the eyes, take a deep inhale, smile, and hug and thank each other for the beautiful experience that you have both received. And as you hug, you start to notice the energy of this future you transmitting and exchanging between the both of you. You start to feel as if that future you isn't so future at all, but actually is the you right now in this very moment. Allow this new energy, this new way of being, this new way of breathing, this new way of achieving to fully be you. Now, as you both finish hugging and saying thank you, you turn around and come back into this moment right now, bringing back that energy, that new motivation, that new guidance, those new insights, that new intuition. Into this moment, into this very experience, right now. Take a deep inhale and allow this energy to fully integrate in this reality, and slowly exhale any previous doubts, any previous worries, knowing that you know exactly what you need to do to achieve your manifestations in this moment, right now. Now take a deep inhale and come back to your senses, moving your fingers, moving your toes. Slowly exhale, and when you're ready, you may gently open up your eyes, feeling refreshed, loving life, and ready to achieve all that you've ever imagined you could achieve right now.